Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Flagstar Mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Flagstar Mortgage login and hit on enter right now. Now this is the link that you should follow that says My Loans. Simply click on it. Now it will redirect you to this page. Now right here, what you want to do is click on this login button right here. Simply click on it. Now you got to choose the available accounts, that is online banking, My Loans, private banking, business banking, Flagstar Corporate. Simply click on My Loans and click on Login. Now it's going to ask you to enter your username and password. Enter both of them. In case you forgot either one of them, click on these buttons right here that say Forgot Username and Forgot Password. Click on them and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now let's enter our credentials. Once everything's alright, simply click on this button right here that says Login. Then you will be redirected to your Flagstar Mortgage account. Well, that's it for the video guys. That's how we log in to Flagstar Mortgage. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.